Hey guys, so today I'm filming such an exciting video. This has been so requested for such a long time. I'm going to be doing my room tour finally because I have recently redone like my entire room except for like a couple of little things that are the same. So I have done so many room tours, so they will all be linked down below, literally from the start of my channel when I was like 12. So if you want to go see all the rooms that I've had in the past, go check it out down below. Before we get started, I am doing a giveaway on Dote right now, so make sure you go enter the giveaway. The link will be down below. It's going to be over in 3 days, so make sure you guys click the link down below, enter it, whatever. Also follow me on Instagram, all that stuff down below. So yeah, let's just get started with the room tour. We're going to start this little room tour with my door. So this is the nice door that you use to walk into my room. There's like a little space here. I don't really know why. On my door, all we have is this little Urban Outfitters gold hook thing. It's really cute. It has just my little bag on it. I think that my bag's from Free People. Then behind me, we have a little mirror with some stickers on it to see my outfit. Take some outfit of the days in this. You've probably seen that on my Instagram story. Follow me on Instagram. If you don't, you probably should. It's at Amanda.Pulitano, link in the bio. Or I mean in the description. Anyways. Then over here on this side of the wall, we have a little Love You to the Moon and Back hook thingy. And I have all of like pictures and stuff on it. So yeah, this used to be actually a Polaroid wall, but then I painted my room gray recently. It used to be pink. And I took it down when I painted it, and I never felt like putting them back up because it's just so much work for a Polaroid wall, and I just wasn't feeling it anymore. Maybe if I get less lazy, I will do that again, but I don't know. As for now, this is fine. I don't know. So right next to my door, we have this little like entry table. Just kidding. I have no idea what it is. It's just a random table. So the little table thing is from Urban Outfitters. I really like it because it's like this rustic gold thing. A lot of stuff in my room is from Urban. I love their like apartment section. I just think that they have really cute stuff. This little mirror that I have all of my like long necklaces on and my little like thing when I graduated. This is from Urban as well. On here I have my little jewelry rack thing. This is from Urban too. Then I have some of my books and these little bookends from Target, I think. This little Polaroid frame is from Urban as well. And then below that I have my record player from Urban. A little frame of me and my boyfriend at his junior prom. And then I have like two little like knickknacks that are like my grandma's. She passed away. I have, this one is hers too. I just have those. And then I have a bunch of my record players right next to my thing. So yeah. Alright, so sorry if the lighting's weird. I have this like light behind me that's like a ring light, and then like the lighting's just very weird for room tours. I just don't know what to do. My room's not that big, so like we don't got a lot of space, we don't got a lot of windows, we don't got a lot of nothing. So I'm working with what I got. So this is my dresser. This is the one thing that I haven't changed since my last room tour, and my bed, I think. But this is also the one thing left, I think, that I want to get a new version. I just don't really like this anymore. It's kind of stained up on top. It's a little gross. The drawers don't fit much. All of them are like stuffed full, so I'm not going to be showing you in all my drawers. I'll tell you what's in them. This is my bras, this is my underwear, and like bralettes and stuff. This is pajamas. Then underneath that we got jeans and, we got sweatpants, then we got jeans and shorts, and then we got like comfy shorts and like random ass shit. So this is just a mess, so we're just not even going there. On top, I have my cable box, my TV. Up here, I got this little thing from a subscriber at the last BeautyCon LA that I went to. I want to go back there, but I don't know, man. I just want to go back to BeautyCon LA. I miss it. I met literally so many people there, like so many of you guys there. It was amazing, so definitely want to go back there. Okay, then I have my little Love You to the Moon and Back thing. I'm not sure where this is from. I have a Gucci box because I'm just so cool. Just kidding. And then I have this little like heart thing that was my mom's when she was little, and I have like all of my like corsages from like all like the 2 junior proms I went to and then my prom. So yeah, and then right next to my dresser I have my little 100,000 plaque. Oh my god, it just started pouring outside, like literally crazy pouring. Alright, next to that, this is the ring light I was just talking about. This thing is always just like sitting somewhere in my room because it's just huge and like I have nowhere else to put it, so it's just always in my room. Then I have my closet right over here. I'm not going to go in here because it is always a mess. It's so tiny. I have so much stuff. It does not all fit in there. So this is always just overflowing. When you open it, you have the possibility of getting killed because everything will just fall on you. It's very scary. Then I have a little heater in the corner for when it's winter and it gets cold. So that's this part of my room. Very interesting. The fun stuff is coming soon. That's the rest. That's everything else I'm looking at. So get ready. All right. So right across from my closet is something that you guys have seen a lot, which is my bed. I'm always like filming videos sitting on my bed. So this little background, you guys have probably seen a lot. This is like probably the #1 thing of my room that looks the most different, and my vanity. Yeah, that like literally the whole thing just looks really different. But I used to have a huge tapestry and a lot of lights, and it was just so much going on. I just literally like hated it. I don't know, I just got so sick of it. I used to love it, got very sick of it. So I got a new bedspread. This is from Urban Outfitters. It's so comfortable. It's literally the most comfortable thing in the world. These 2 pillows are from Pier 1 Imports. So yeah, they're also really soft. My headboard, I'm not sure where this is from. You can find headboards like this so many places. I literally think that I just like found one like online and just like wanted that one. I have no idea. I got it a while ago. It's a little gross now and like worn out and stuff, but I still really like it. It's just very comfortable and like I like the way it looks. And then above that, I bought 2 of the same little canvases. These are from Urban, but I just thought that it would look cool having 2 instead of 1. So yeah, they're the exact same thing. Just hung them right next to each other and I like the way it looks. Marble is like one of my fave things, so I just thought that that was really nice. And then over here on this wall next to my bed, I have this huge dream catcher from Urban. That is probably like my biggest waste of money. That thing was literally $100, but I still use it. I love it and I just like the way it looks. I have no idea why I thought I should spend that amount of money on a dream catcher, and I'm so pissed about it, but I was stupid at the time. So this is the part of my room that I spend the most of my time at. So I got a new little nightstand also. This is from Anthropologie. I'm obsessed with it. It is so cute. On top of it, I have this little candle. This is from Anthropologie. This little, it's like one of those like oil like diffuser thingies, and that's from I can't fucking talk, Bed Bath and Beyond. Then this little like dish thing is from Urban Outfitters. I just have some of my like jewelry that I like to wear in there, stuff like that. Then I have my Alexa. She isn't plugged in. She hasn't been plugged in for a long time because I'm just too lazy to go behind my bed and plug her back in, and she got unplugged on accident. And then I have a little sea salt lamp. I don't really remember where that's from. And then I have little marble like cup holder thingies, because like cups like really ruin furniture, like the water and stuff. So I just have those there. Underneath here I have like my like Gucci box and like Louis Vuitton box and a Gucci bag. I just have no idea where to put those things, and I feel like that you can't throw those away. I don't know why I feel like you can't throw those away, but I just feel like that. So they're just sitting under there and they really bother me a lot. So yeah. Even though I said that my bed is my favorite part of my room, this is also like it probably ties as the favorite part of my room, because I also do spend so much of my time here. This computer is literally the best thing that has ever happened to me. It has made me upload so much more. It's not even that. It's just that I feel like so much more comfortable editing in like this space than in my kitchen, because that's where we have like a desktop in my kitchen, and that was the only thing I could use to edit on, because my MacBook Air doesn't have enough room to edit on it. So I just feel so much more comfortable sitting in here and editing in here than I did in my kitchen. So I just do it so much more because I love it so much more doing it in a place that I'm comfortable in, that I can be like cozy it up and like at like late at night and like not be like scared that somebody's gonna come in my back door and freaking kill me. I don't know, I'm just scared of everything. So yeah, anyways, so this is my desk. I don't know why I just started talking about that. So this is my desk. It's from IKEA. It's like the Mickey desk or something like that. I forgot what it's called. So this is really nice. It has these drawers. This one has like a lot of like my electronic stuff in. It's so messy. I'm not opening it. And then this little mirror. I don't remember where this mirror is from, but I don't even like it. I want to get a new one that lights up, so that doesn't matter. I have my little MacBook Air. I have my vlog camera, my phone, 2 little Bath & Body Works candles, a little like mirror dish. I think that was from like AC Moore or something. I got it years ago. This mirror is my favorite thing in the world. This is from Urban Outfitters. It is huge. It's so nice. I literally am just like obsessed with it. You can see like everything and it just is so nice. I really like it. So on here I have a picture of me and my grandma and a picture of me and my boyfriend from prom. It's a little Polaroid. So cute. Love that kid. Anyways, then I have this little elephant from Punta Cana. My MacBook. My chair is from PB Teen. It's so nice and comfortable and it like swivels around. I have a blanket on here and a pillow. The pillow comes off every time I sit in the chair. It's just like there because I have no idea where else to put this pillow because it looks weird on my bed. And the blanket, I literally just need a blanket every time I'm editing, so that's that. Then in this drawer I just have like a bunch of like stuff that I reach for like all the time, like deodorant and like face spray and like some of my like face brushes and like face masks and random stuff that didn't have a home. Then over here in the corner I have my Alex 9 drawer thing. Everybody on YouTube probably has this, I feel like. On top I have this little marble dish from, I wish that I remembered where it was from. I like ordered it from like a random place. Oh my god, that scared the hell out of me. Okay. I ordered it from like a random place online, but that just has all my like nice perfumes. So yeah, they're the ones that I like wear all the time, stuff like that. Then I have 2 little Polaroid frames from Urban with little pictures in there. A little candle from Urban. A little Love You to the Moon and Bath thing that has like an old beauty blender in it. Ew, I forgot. There's literally nothing in there. That's gross. Ew, there's dust on it. Okay. Anyways, then I have like my Mario drying lotion back there and this little thing that has my eye brushes in it. So yeah, that is basically my entire room. So that is what you guys were really wanting to see. I hope that it lived up to the expectations. Oh, underneath this desk I also have like these little bins from Urban Outfitters and they have like candles in them and like perfumes and stuff and like stuff that just doesn't really have a home. It just like is under here along with like my like yearbooks under here, like vitamins that are, I like haven't opened the pack of them yet. I don't even know. Like the box, I just have like extra vitamins. I don't know. So yeah, that's everything. So thanks. So that was my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to enter my giveaway down below in the description. It'll be the first link. And yeah, I love you guys to the moon and back. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on Saturday.
You call me all friendly.